and I'm going to show you. It is extremely hard. And there's an ant trying to get in, and it's just not getting it. What's good, everybody? On today's short video, we're going to take this bag of polymeric sand and we're going to apply it to our pavers and our walkway. You're going to have a heck of a time trying to put polymeric sand in there. Stay tuned for the whole video. It's gonna be a quick one and a short one. If you followed my other videos, I showed you how to create a paver walkway and a patio. Today we're gonna finish that up with a charcoal polymeric sand. Now what that is a mixture of sand with polymer, so it acts like an adhesive between the joints. We're gonna pour it all on these joints, and then we're gonna put a little water on it, and then that's gonna hold these pavers and make sure that no weeds are growing from underneath it and no ants or bugs are crawling within it. Now we're not too concerned about that because we've placed this on a concrete base. Now there's different types of polymer sands out there in different colors. We're going to be using Evolution polymeric sand. This is a little better than the ones at Home Depot or Lowe's. This one is just a little stronger. To make sure that you've swept everything from your surface pavers. If you have anything in between, like plants or pieces of whatever, make sure you dig that up. The more sand that's between the crevices, the better it is and the better it's going to look. This is a charcoal polymeric sand. It comes in many different colors and shades, from gray to reds to even blues if you want. But we're going to go charcoal just to blend this in. So this is the polymeric sand for all joints, 1/16 to 4 inches with enhanced polymer binding technology. So this does not expand. It's very easy to sweep and it doesn't get as dusty, but make sure you wear protective eye gear and a mask like I am. One of these costs $30 Canadian and it's 50 pounds, covers about 100 square feet. Already massive difference. Alright, at this point we're gonna go and get our hose and just do a light mist. Now we're gonna let this dry. Now you're gonna notice there's like a foamy substance. That's just glue doing its thing. So yeah, that's how you apply polymer sand to your pavers. Once the polymeric sand has set, the next day it's going to be very dry. So if you have not removed some of the debris after it was dry, you're going to have a hard time doing it. I'm going to show you. It is extremely hard. And there's an ant trying to get in, and it's just not getting it. Remember, you definitely need to remove some of the excess before you place the water on, because once it's dry, it's going to be set. One other thing, if you're doing stairs, grooves like this and in between, you're gonna have a heck of a time trying to put polymeric sand in there. The way I'm gonna do it is apply a little tape, put the sand in there, and then put the water from this side, and that's going to wet the polymeric sand, and then it's gonna dry kind of in mid-air, and then I'm gonna remove the tape. I hope this has been helpful, and this is how to pour polymeric sand between the joints of your pavers. That's not going to let any weeds out and any bugs in. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.